tell you, if you get invited for a Tongan barbecue, if you are vegetarian, don't show up. It will be nothing for you to eat. If you show up, don't expect to eat chicken, steak. That's rubbish. Us Tongan, we only cook one thing. The one thing is waka. That's right. We only cook waka. We not only cook like a piece of pork. We cook the whole pig. Now I'm gonna say you why the Tongan, how the Tongan cook the pig better than anyone else. Some country they use soy sauce, olive oil. That's rubbish. Us Tongan, all we need is this bad boy right here. That's right, Fenda. Hey, oh you see? Come here, my boy. Hold the bowl. You just put the fender in there. And you can use anything. Anything, even you can use your mahi. Oh, maybe not. But fender.
Me